Do you wanna hear about how the real world's a place for me? There's something out there won't look better on a TV screen. There's a better way, I don't care what you say. I just wanna play, I just wanna play. Things will be alright as soon as I get back to school.
Hey guys, Coolways FDW here with yet a very overdue vlog. It's really late. And you also might be wondering, why is it really dark? Well, one, it is the middle of the night and I just went to the Christmas tree store and I bought a few things for a few gifts, and basically I'm participating in a Secret Santa event, which no one can shut their mouth about because we all want to make our predictions and we're all chatty. That ruins the surprise and whole element of what the Secret Santa is. Anyway, I already purchased my presents at the store. I'm just about to go home to wrap them. My mom's running a few things to do. So I'm just sitting in the car vlogging for you guys, catching you up on what's been going on. So basically what's been going on is that my life has literally been so busy. I am not even joking. I know that's a really, really lame excuse. But seriously, I have a life too, you know. And I can't exactly vlog every single part of my life. And I really wanted to do Vlogmas this year, but it just didn't work out, and I wouldn't exactly have a life worthy of vlogging 25 days in a row, so I just decided not to do it. So, today is December 7th, 2013, and next Saturday, which is probably a few days away from the uploading of this vlog, it's basically gonna be a Rubik's Cube tournament, which is going to be really fun because it takes place at the Liberty Science Center, and I've never been there. I've only heard stories of it. I thought it was in New York actually at first, but it turns out it's in Jersey City. So there's gonna be a Rubik's Cube competition there. It's gonna be vlogging. It's gonna be so much fun. It's gonna be so much fun to record. There's gonna be lots of people to meet, and yeah, basically just have a great time before the holidays. Alright, so I'm back home, and I'd just like to address a few things that sometimes people have been asking me around, you know, here and there. People ask me a few questions, but specifically during the holiday season, most people ask me what I want for Christmas. First of all, the stuff I want for Christmas is like really freaking expensive, including a Wii U and a Canon SX170IS, which I'll be using for vlogging pretty soon. You guys will be seeing high-def vlogs, which doesn't really qualify as high def as of now because I just stretch out the dimensions when I'm editing for vlogs, so that doesn't technically count as HD, but the camera I'm getting for Christmas basically records in HD, like legit HD. Plus I can get some really good shots for the yearbook club I'm in, and it's basically a vlogger's dream because I'm pretty sure majority of vloggers use a power shot any type. I think the SX170 is the latest model. I'm not sure. I have to look up on that. But I think the latest model is like 500 to 600. I'm not sure, but anyway. So yeah, that's one thing. And the second thing, the other thing I want for Christmas, it's not tangible. You can't touch it or buy it or want it. So I'm gonna leave you guys guessing on what that is. It's not tangible. It's not physical. You can't touch it. You can't buy it. You can't touch or give it to me unless you're willing to. So I'll just leave you guys there. Alright, I will see you guys in my room while I will be wrapping my present. Alright, excuse for the bad lighting, but my room just recently got these weird lights that only turn on fully until you give it like a few minutes. These are supposed to be like energy, like saving lights per se, and I kinda hate it. So anyway, I spent the last few hours photoshopping a picture for this frame. I'm not going to show you the front because that would spoil it for the person receiving it, and it would leak very embarrassing stuff. So anyway, I'll just leave you on that, and basically, I'm just going to have to wrap this tomorrow because it's like a little bit late at night because I spent the last few hours photoshopping it and basically making the last few adjustments and stuff. So yeah, I'll see you guys hopefully tomorrow while I'm wrapping, and I don't know, I will see you sometime. Alright, so I just finished, and actually, it's the next day, actually. It's, I just didn't open my blinds and didn't bother to open my blinds, so it looks like it's nighttime. But anyway, it's, 3 o'clock in the afternoon, and, I'm done wrapping the present. It may look like it's professionally wrapped, but if you like, see this present in real life, then It really looks like some idiot wrapped this present. Like, seriously, it's really badly wrapped. Just trust me on this. It's really badly wrapped. So, yeah, I did my best. I had a few complications here and there, but from a view, it looks like a perfectly wrapped present, to be honest. So, yeah, I will see you guys pretty soon. Hey, what's up? It's Saturday, which is like 4 days right after the last clip you saw, and guess where I am? You probably can't guess. Well, you guess anyway, but we're at the Liberty Science Center with Peter, who I carpooled with. Oh my god, it's so dark. You can't even see my face.
We're not gonna lose. Yeah,
We're gonna lose because we checked out everyone's profiles and they have like plenty under like 30 seconds. So I'm gonna probably say something racist to a Korean.
yeah, they're like Koreans coming.
Yeah, I want to see Britain face off against that one.
From the United Kingdom, they have like electric hands.
Okay, so we're not allowed to go like in the other part of the Liberty Science Center unless we pay, which I have money for. So you guys are lucky I'm gonna be filming, or maybe even allowed to film. Look at this cool giant ball thingy. It's so cool. And then the line for like the Rubik's competition. Look, it's so long. It's so long. Oh my god. So yeah, we're just about to go in the auditorium in the back, over in the other side. So anyway, we might see you guys there. The line is like freaking huge, so we might have to wait a while for the group to come and stuff like that, and then we'll come back to you guys soon. So yeah.
Yo, alright, she's a hyphen. So
hey Eric, what's up? And this Michael. Hey Michael, what's up? Are you competing today?
I remember you in 5th grade, you like stalked everyone, you started videoing it.
So Michael, are you competing today?
I was
No.
registered
Oh,
for
okay.
the competition, and I forgot to.
Well, I think Britain's here too. And Gabe, you're in my video.
Look at all the Asians.
What happened to you wanted me in my video? What happened to that? I like your hat. You got it at PAX. That rhymes. Hey guys, here's Alex. This is Simon. This is Brandon.
Stop video.
Here's these guys. You competing today, Simon? You gonna win?
Just hashtag Team India. No, I'm kidding, I'm confused.
Hashtag
Did he
I'm
come
the
yet?
only-
I don't think he came yet.
Hashtag Team India.
Hashtag I'm the only Hispanic.
Wow. So Cubers at work. Go Alex. Go Adnan. Go Maurice. Oh my god.
I'm not.
Who's gonna finish first?
No, I'm not.
Who's gonna finish first?
I'm
Who's
not
gonna
on
finish
the
first? You're not on the list?
No.
How? Go, go, go. Go, go,
Why did I
go.
just do that?
Oh my god. Keep going. Speed, speed. Oh my god. Can anyone do it? Oh my god. Oh my god. Yeah, he did it. Wait. Oh, now he did it. Yeah. This shirt be swaggy as oh my god. So, we're just about to go in and we're just waiting for a couple people here and there. So, yeah, I don't think I'll get that far, but I will try. I mean, this is a first time for me, but not like, this is a national event, international, because people are coming from around the world, so I'm like, whoa, who am I dealing with here? Okay, people from New York, people from India, people from the UK, people from South Korea. I'm like, you can't tell from this angle, but it's snowing like really hard outside. Like, it just started snowing like about 30 minutes ago, and it's like starting to like pour down on roads and stuff like that. And a bunch of us are still pre-registering over there, and a bunch of us are going into the auditorium right now. That's gonna be cool. This expanding giant ball thingy is awesome. I don't know what it is, but Manny, I didn't realize you were here. Nice scarf. Manny has a Rooster Teeth scarf. Alright, Britton, we're just about to begin. What are you feeling right now?
Nervous because I popped my cube earlier and...
He brought a screwdriver with him just in case?
Yeah, it's in my bag and I brought both cubes.
Nice, cool. Alright, we're just about to start 3x3 first preliminary rounds to find an average, to figure out who's going in the next 2 rounds.
They have so many more. That happens all the time.
After people.
When I call your name, please bring up your songs read by Drake. Alaya Madeo, Alex Poulan, Ashil Desai, Corey Barkley, Mike White.
What the?
Did you see Prince?
His face. Your face! Oh my god. Well, we're gonna have to see that in the vlog. Oh my god. Wow. Your face. I'm gonna slow roll that. I'm gonna slow
Did you
that.
have Prince's face captured on there? Like, can you screenshot that?
Whoa, that thing is huge. That's a big Rubik's Cube. Oh my god, on the ceiling. What's better, Boston or the Liberty Side Center?
And he's still on it. I remember this when I was like 5. What is this?
It looks like weird water.
Looks like a whirlpool.
What's better, the Boston Science Museum or this?
They're equal. They're different. Look at the birdie. I was watching a cardinal waiting for you guys to pick me up. Look at how slow it's moving.
Aw.
That one's staring at you.
Look at the little. I was watching a cardinal while I was waiting for you guys to pick you up. Alright.
Ah, my eyes. What? Is this it?
It's a puffer fish. Oh, you're trying to make it puffer fish. It's not going to work. Oh, there's soundproof glass. Come here. Come here.
Wait, what is it?
Chameleon.
Oh, I see it.
Whoa.
Look at it.
Oh yeah, I see it.
It's
right there.
beautiful.
In the back right there.
It's right there. You can see its head.
What?
Can it change colors?
Wait, let me see.
Cool.
Oh, it's right there. Oh, it's gorgeous. Here, look.
Monkeys.
Right now. Andrea, what is that? Ew, what is that?
It's a plain ew. Monkeys. What's here? Oh, snakes.
Ew. There's a
Monkeys?
baby on the back.
Oh,
There's a bug on Mom.
Where?
All the way over there. Where's the baby?
No.
I think she might go back in a second. Cameron. You walking with her?
Yes.
It's on the back of that one.
Maybe in your video?
Look, right there. On the back of that.
Oh my god.
It's horrible.
Ooh.
She just got off. There she is. The baby flies off. That's the baby. She got off. She's so cute. Oh my god, look at her.
Oh my.
What the heck is that?
Wow.
Oh my god, look at her. Moves so staring at us.
Moves so fast. And agile.
Their favorite thing is the hammocks. And she's hanging off the ceiling.
So cool.
Again.
These are like huge fish. Like huge. Huge fish. Oh my god. So big. Wait up. Is this like sand collection? Even more fish. It smells like an aquarium in here. Like, I'm not even joking. It smells like an aquarium. Wow. Whoa. Holy cow. Wow. This is amazing. Wow, Manny. Show him your hair. What's up? He didn't even go in the wind tunnel. Oh my god. Oh, this is the wind tunnel. Is this the wind tunnel? I think it's...
This is the wind tunnel, but this is never what people are looking for when they ask for the wind tunnel. They're almost always looking for this thing, the giant hurricane simulator, basically.
Yeah.
Right? Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
It's like, yes, that's what we're looking for. Okay, so this is actually called the curtain wall test. How this works is it runs on show times. Alright? So I don't know how much longer you're all here for, but the next show time is at 2:15.
Oh.
How long does it take?
About 15 minutes. So you'd be done out of there at 2:30.
Maybe my mom can let us.
Okay.
Guys, we have 8 arms or an octopus.
Oh my god.
Octopus. The octopus. Get back. Alright.
Oh boy.
Are you taking a video of
Sure, why not? YOLO.
Jeric, don't take a video of it. Yeah.
Okay.
Just take a video of the pig.
YOLO. YOLO this.
Oh my gosh. It might not be worth it. Are you really taking a video of this?
Oh my god.
Like it's just so good! I wonder
Oh
what
my
we sound
God.
like from the outside.
Probably sound crazy.
Oh my god.
Oh my god. So today was fun. Everyone just left and we're just waiting for our ride at the Liberty Science Center. Today was so much fun.
Video?
Selfie Nation. No, I'm just kidding. Okay. Anyway, so today was so much fun. We got to do so much stuff. It was an amazing Saturday. Oh my god. Today was like, whew, the best fun I've had since Boston. Like, the most fun I've had since Boston. It is amazing. Amazing. So, the Liberty Science Center compared to Boston, I think they're pretty much equal. They're pretty much equal. The Liberty Science Center in Boston, it's huge. It's lots of stuff. Oh my god, it's so cool. All right, so yeah, I'll see you guys sometime next week. I will be producing a Christmas week vlog, pre-vlog, and I will be doing a Christmas Day vlog and post-Christmas vlog. So I'll see you guys next time.
Eventually.
Then one foggy Christmas Eve, Santa came to say, Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? And we shouted out with glee, Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll never history. Checking it twice, but find out who's not here tonight. Santa Claus is coming to town. He knew when you're sleeping, he knows when you're awake. He knows if you've been bad or good, so be good for goodness sake. Oh, you better watch out, you better not cry, you better watch out, I'm telling you why. Santa Claus is coming to town. Hey, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Merry Christmas!
Are you getting my bells?
Christmas time.
Britain's being a really obnoxious person right now, so just ignore him. I'm just sitting here, Britain. Calm down, Jeric.
DJ Map 923, who's ready to party? Oops, sorry. And then, who's ready to turn up? DJ Map, drop that beat.
This is awesome. Britain's being a really obnoxious person. Like, seriously, calm down, Britain, -5, demerit. Oh! Animals. Animals. This is much cooler in person. This is Britney Spears. My man right here. My man.
Come on, clap.
No, not like that. Not much again.
Well, you turned on me and that I felt it. Tried to be chill, but you feel how can I melt it? Feel like to get back. It's all the good time now. Nothing I'm just feeling in my chest. Nothing's gonna stop me against the kind of intervention, but it's a good my turn to do so.
Shoot an apple off my head, and the trouble that can't be named. Tigers waiting to be tamed, singing you.
know it's wrong. They tell me I'm too young to understand. They say I'm caught up in a dream. Well, life will pass me by if I don't open up my eyes. So that's fine by me. I survive. Make it to the show. This is what it feels like.
Isabel Castro. It's birthday girl, Julia Bien. Jenna Ortiz. Janice Senescar. Min Wei. Miguel Almosa. Unique Freak. Shania Saraba. Flashy Four. SOS DJ Michael Valentine.
Been a while since I actually talked to you guys, but I don't know if you can see me or not, but it's actually been a while since I last talked to you guys. So the last couple of clips, the first batch of clips were basically us caroling through the halls on Wednesday the 18th of December of 2013. And yeah, we were basically going around the halls basically and caroling. I cannot sing, so I just like sang really low, like you can't even hear me. Anyway, so yeah, that was fun. And yeah, I got to vlog it. And then the second batch of clips, oh my god, that was so much fun. That was our school's talent show that we haven't done in 3 years. It's amazing. Like, one of the 6th graders actually is a DJ, and he was pretty good, to be honest, for a 6th grader. And yeah, he's a really great DJ. I mean, he's awesome. Like, just for a 6th grader to do that, it's amazing. So I give props to him and all the performances you saw there. And I forgot how many there were, but I think I skipped like 3 or 4 because this lady told me to turn off my iPod when I was clearly taking photos and videos for the yearbook. I'm like, what? So then I tell the yearbook counselor that I need an upgrade on my seats. So I get upgraded to the front row seats, and that's pretty awesome considering we were in the back doing student council business. So anyway, we did that, and yeah, I got to take pictures of all the acts and stuff like that. Chris Sermon TV you saw there with his mini band, you know, kind of thing. But anyway, so yeah, amazing talent. The DJ was like awesome, played all those songs. I mean, it was just so awesome. I mean, that party set the bar for the year. Oh, this is just some stuff I got from Secret Santa today. We did a Secret Santa exchange with the student council. Basically, we chose a person like in the beginning of December, and we were supposed to get them a gift, and I had to help with a few people, and yeah, it turned out well in the end. And oh my god, Holly got me like the best present ever. Oh my god, a YouTube shirt. Oh my god, I was gonna buy one for like $15 off the Google store, but I don't know, I just never had the time to do it. So yeah, that's one thing off my checklist. And yeah, that's one last thing I have to buy in the YouTube merchandise. So yeah, I can wear it to VidCon. I think I get a free shirt at VidCon, I'm not sure, but anyway. So yeah, I got a YouTube shirt. And yeah, I think the rest of the shirts I want are full screen shirts. If you guys don't know already, I'm already partnered with Full Screen Network. It's almost been 2 years since I've been almost a year since I've been partnered with them. I think I partnered with them in January 2012, so it's almost been a year. So I can't wait for that. And yeah. By the way, I'm walking to my sister's school because we come out like a half hour earlier than them, so I'm walking to the school right now. So yeah, oh my god. Oh, today was an exhilarating day. Oh my god. You guys should have seen it in person. Even though the footage looked kind of weird and kind of blank and dark and stuff, it was more amazing in person. You just had to see it. It's one of those things where you can't capture on film. On hard film, you can't do that. Like, it's amazing. So yeah, the next video we will have a couple of parties that I will be going to this weekend. So the party don't stop till Christmas starts. So yeah, I will be going to our relative's party. If you guys have stuck around my channel for long enough, you probably noticed the Gangnam Style bloopers reel. So that's kind of the same deal here. Maybe we'll do the Fox or something. I don't know. Anyway, that's gonna be a separate vlog because of you know. That's gonna be a separate vlog because it's just way too much to put in one vlog. I feel like this vlog is already, I don't know, 20 minutes long. And I don't want to be this a repeat of Boston where I have to split it up into 2 half-hour parts. So yeah, those 2 are gonna be separate vlogs, and I'm gonna have a third video which is going to be a Christmas unboxing. Last year I got 5,000 views and a bunch of hate comments saying I was ungrateful. I come up with a strategy to avoid that hate. And are those my fans back there? Oh shit, those are my fans back there. So anyway, so yeah. Basically, yeah, that's gonna be 2 separate videos. Hope you guys stay tuned for that. I gotta run away from these fans because I don't know, I'm getting famous around town. I don't know. But I'll see you guys later. Goodbye.